Hello to everyone. Now we are going to do a mail merge demo. For that, first we have to open a Word document. By default, it will be there in the Home tab. Next, we have to click on the mailings. From this, we have to select a Start Mail Merge. In that, you have to select the letters. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a mail to parent stating that her daughter has won an award. That award we are going to give it on next week Friday or Thursday during the assembly time. So please come and attend the function. So this is going to be my letter. So now I have selected the letter. I have to create a list. So now I'm going to select the recipients. That will be the second step. I'm going to click on the new type. So already here in the address list, we have the column headings as title, first name, last name, company name. So many details are there. So I don't want some details. So I want to customize it. So for that, we have to click on the customize column. Here, I don't want this company name. Instead of that, I need it as a student name. I'm changing it to student name. So this address line, I don't want the second address line, and so I'm deleting it. This zip code also I don't want. I'm deleting it. This email address I don't need, so I'm deleting it. Work phone also I don't want, so I'm deleting it. I'm going to rename this home phone to a course. So now this course, I want it to be placed next to the student name. So for that, I have to select the student and then I have to click on move up. At a time, you can move only one item. Okay, one field name alone, you can move it. So it has come here. I'm leaving it. I don't want this country also, so I'm deleting it. I'm happy with my field names, so I'm going to give OK. Now this is ready. Now only the column headings are ready. Now you have to make the entries. So already one row is empty. So directly I'm going to give Mr. and Mrs. This first name and last name is going to be the name of the parent. So I'm going to give it as Ranjan Kumar. Mia. Course is going to be a BCA. Next, some address I'm giving. And then it is asking for the state. I have completed the first entry. Okay, so now I need another entry. So I have to click on the new entry. Automatically the next row will come. So here also I have to fill it. Once you have completed all the entries, you have to click on OK. It will be asking for the file name. There you have to specify the name relevant to the list and then save it. So now already I have created one list with the student's name. At least 5 names is there. So I'm going to use that one. So for using that list, you have to click on the new use an existing list. So this is my list which I have created previously. So first you have to open that one. Once you opened it, then only these items will be enabled. So this is going to be the address block. So as I told you, if I'm going to click on Joshua, see only the name alone it is coming. If I'm going to click this one, what happened? Mr. Ranjan Kumar and their full address, I'm getting it. Okay. So I'm going to include that one. Next is going to be the, I want to greet them. So I'm going to give the greeting line. So here you have a dear to none. I want to give it as dear Mr. Instead of Mr. Kumar, I want it to come with full name. So I'm going to give it with like this. Full name I have selected. So this is how it's getting done. Now you have to we are going to give. Now we have to type the letter. So this is a content. Since it is so everybody name, a student's name, I have given it as a female, so I have given as daughter. So here your daughter and the student's name has to come, right? So I'm going to click on the student name, has won the elocution competition which was conducted by the college, and she will be receiving the award with the next ceremony. If you want to include the title, okay, that is the title, and then the first name, and then the last name. If you want, you can give that also specifically instead of this greeting line also. Okay, then I'm going to give thank you. Selected. I'm going to make it as an alignment, so everything I want it is a single line before and after. Let it be 0. Okay, so now it is done. So now if you want to preview it, you can click on the preview or be able to see it. This is the first recipient. If you want to see the next one, next person name, and you'll be able to see it. Okay, so now, so instead of after the title, no, there is no space, so I need to leave the space for that one. So I'm going to leave the space, so little space will be available. Now it is done. Now we can see the preview. First, for previewing the preview, you have to click on the preview result. Now you are able to see the difference here. If you are going to click once again on the preview, the original content will be there. So now you have to, last step is finish and merge. Here you'll be able to find a drop down arrow. There you click it, edit the individual document. Here you have all. That means all the records will be merged. That is, we have created with 5 students name, no? So 5. If I want to do it only for 1 and 2 students, then I can get only 2 rows. I can give 1 and 2 rows. I want to do it for all the students, so I'm going to give all. See, this is the first student with the name Soumya. This is the next student with the name Shabana, and this will be the last student. The third student Abigail, and fourth student is Soundarya. You can find it. This is their address, dear, and I have given, just to show you how to insert the merge field, I have given here. Your daughter Kushbu has won the elocution competition, which was conducted, which is being conducted by the college. She will be receiving the award at the school's assembly next Friday. We hope that you will attend. If you want, what you can do is you can save it. How you'll be able to save it? Like this, wherever you want, you can save it. So after this, what the principal can do or the management can do, they can take the printout and they can send it to individual person. So this is how the mail merge is working. First, you have to create a list. That first you have to prepare the original document. Next, you have to create a data source. After that, wherever the merge fields, that is a field is needed, that should be included. Once you complete your content, at last you have to click on the finish and merge. So these are the steps.